Hit pa rin ang agila. And let's see what Parang picks up first. It looks like a piece of plastic. Yep, piece of plastic which is going to the non-biodegradable bin. Good boy, Parang. Up next, it looks like a leaf or dahong. Feel the breeze of the natural world and be amazed with the works of nature. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better view. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. So quick background on Davao Crocodile Park, we are a rescue center aimed at the conservation, preservation, and complete rehabilitation of our animal population, not just here in the Philippines, but the rest of the world as well. My name is Kuya Mark, and this is your Keeper Talk. But before we proceed with the show, let's take a couple of ground rules for everyone to follow muna now. So first and foremost, as we are going to be working with wild animals, I need everyone to find a seat and remain seated. Please do not try to touch or grab any of our animals that might come your way. Parents can take care of your children as we don't want them to scare our animals as they might scratch or bite our kids. Secondly, to those who are still eating, I'm so sorry. Please finish up now or kindly keep it lang po as food is strictly not allowed while the show is ongoing. This is for your safety and the safety of our animals as well. And lastly, to those who want to take photos and videos of our animal ambassadors, pwede po, but please double check your cameras and turn off your flash as our animals here are very light sensitive. Now, with that being said, double check muna natin. Bisaya ko natin para makasabutan na. Let's take our seat. Mama, lingkod lang ta. Pakihipos lang sa tuwag ka ga. Paki-off lang sa itong flash. No. Now, we will be meeting our first animal ambassador right now, folks. So, let me ask all of you, are you ready to meet your first animal ambassador? So we have coffee dispensers sa likod kong katugon pangwa. Sa gikan mo Ironman, nagluya na mo karon. One more time, please, a bit louder with more enthusiasm po. I said, are you ready to meet your first animal ambassador? Well, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our Romini guide. Now, see, Jack. So Jack, make your welcoming flight, boy. And ladies and gentlemen, there he is. Whoa! Now folks, that is Jack, our Romini kind, or locally known as Labanon. Now they are birds of prey or raptors, meaning they are primarily carnivorous animals. They can be found in coastal areas of Indonesia, Australia, and of course the Philippines as well. Now, Romini guides only have a wingspan of about 1 meter, so way smaller compared to our Philippine eagle, but that doesn't mean they are not fantastic hunters naman, folks. And Romini guides also practice what we call kleptoparasitism. Kleptoparasitism is when animals are highly opportunistic and will steal food from other animals po. So Jack, small as you may be, will not hesitate to steal food from an even bigger predator. Now, that's all for Jack for today, folks. Let's give him a round of applause, please. There we go. Thank you so much, Jack, and of course, Kuya Siren. Alright, uwi na sila. Now, let's meet our next animal ambassadors now. And our next animal ambassadors are known as clumsy birds, but we don't know why considering they are fantastic flyers naman po. So please help me welcome the alarm clocks of the rainforest, the KANA, the Philippine Great Hornbill, na si Mr. Bell, and there he is, folks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is Mr. Bell, and of course we also have JJ, Mr. Bell's younger brother. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these are our Philippine Great Hornbills, or locally known as the KANA. They get their names from their impressive hornbill, or tuka, which is about 30% of their bodies. And if you can zoom in with your cameras, you're gonna see that they have very long and beautiful eyelashes. So there we go, JJ, kumusta na yung audience out front? There we go, and Mr. Bell, make your welcoming flights as well, boy. There we go. Now, once again, folks, if you can zoom in with your cameras, you're gonna see that they have very long and beautiful eyelashes. So, now, JJ, Mr. Bell, balik na kay Kuya Gmar and Kuya Dexter. There we go. Balik na, Mr. Bell. There we go. And JJ, go back to Kuya Gmar. And wait lang, nalibang pa itong galaw, folks. Time's up. And there he goes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, wait lang. Saan pa si JJ? JJ, go back to Kuya Gmar. Time's up, folks. Namunang bagong galaw. We are still working with wild animals, so we have to adjust to their personalities and not them to us. And it looks like this afternoon, a bit inquisitive si JJ. So nothing to worry about. Kaya kung pili mo perform si JJ, si Kuya Gmar tumalubad na parang dali sa atong stage ha. There we go. Now, JJ, balik na. Alright. Now folks, let me tell you this. Hornbills are known to be monogamous. Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Exactly, no, sana all. Asa wala love life pa ya. Mas ko pag inabuhi ang kalaw sa tuwa. Kung saan mo nato na. But, as we've shown how Mr. Bell and JJ finds their perfect partners, I need everyone to shout fly at the count of 3, okay? So, let's go for a try run first. Again, shout fly at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! Again, fly. Luya, lagi mo tanay, folks. Natay confidence man siya sa gawas o katugod pag ito. Sa winter mo sa itong mga kalaw, ako'y kauman ka itong Valentine's, mingaw. One more time, please, a bit louder with more enthusiasm po para maganahan mo pa na itong mga hayop, no? I said fly in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! Yeah, that's what we want, and that's what our hornbills need to folks to. Ready, Mr. Bell? JJ, audience, ready your folks, mabilis lang ito again. Fly in the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! And there is two folks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is their natural behavior po. Out in the wild, in order for them to find their perfect partner, they will need to catch the most fruits or the most insects in order to impress the most females. Now, JJ, balik na kay Kuya Gmar. There we go, good boy. And let's see it one more time, please, Kuya Gmar, Kuya Dexter, Mr. Bell, JJ. And again, audience, fly the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! And there is two folks. Once again, if you are witnessing this in the wild, you are very lucky as you are watching their mating ritual, or in short, nanliligaw po ang ating mga kalaw. Now, JJ, go back to Kuya Gmar. And wait now, two folks. Time's up. Yun. And let's give Mr. Bell and Kuya Dexter a round of applause, please. There we go. Thank you so much, Kuya Dexter and Mr. Bell. Kuya Gmar, JJ, dito muna kayo. There we go. Now, folks, we will be witnessing their nesting behavior next na po. Out in the wild, whenever it's nesting season, the female will remain inside her nest for 40 days po. Now, how does the female eat? Of course, by the male providing them food naman, folks, no? So let's see that in action right now. But first, we're gonna need one lucky female volunteer for this next part po. So, Kuya Gmar, kinsa gusto? Female volunteer, kinsa gusto? Okay, ate with a green dress, shades on her head. Yes, ate, let's have it be part of our show po, and let's come on up the arena. There we go. Dito ba tayo, ate? Alright. Now, folks, once again, we will be witnessing their nesting behavior. The female will be provided food by the male for 40 days. Pero we're gonna switch up the sexes, no? So, ate, you're gonna be the male kalaw. JJ will be the female kalaw. So, what you need to do right now is get a grade from Kuya Gmar. There we go. Kuha ka ng isa, ma'am. There we go. Put it between your teeth.
Yes, between sa ngipin mo. There we go. Wait lang. Question muna. Nag-toothbrush ka ngayon? Okay, perfect. Nag-toothbrush si ate. Very good, very good. Dental hygiene is important. Now, put it between your teeth, ma'am. There we go. And kukunin niya ni JJ. In short, mag-ingis kayo sa kalaw natin, ha? So, there we go. Steady na tayo, ma'am. Hands behind. And JJ, get the grade. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Now, ladies and gentlemen, once again, that is their nesting behavior po. The male will provide food for the female for 40 days po. Now, let's see it one more time, please, Kuya Jimar. Ate, there we go. Get another grade from Kuya Jimar. There we go. Put it between your teeth. Harap na naman tayo to the right side of the audience. There we go. Now, this time, si Kuya Jimar kukuha ng grade sa bibig mo. Ay, nasa mama. Mami, sorry, mami. Wala joke lang, mami. Joke lang. There we go. Kuya Jimar, si JJ lang daw, Kuya Jimar. Now, ate, there we go. That's right. And folks, let's give all three of them a round of applause, please. There we go. Thank you so much to the three of you. We can return to our seat po, ate. Thank you very much. Now, fun fact about hornbills, folks. Unlike most birds who walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place. So that tumatalon sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Now, let's meet back, allowing them to grab items. And as we've shown you, parang sa present feet, behind the table, we have a kadang-kadang a traditional Filipino footwear. So boys, on, backlight. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, that is the side diagonal feet at work. Once again, to the front, to in the back, allowing them to grab items. So much good. Left, right, left, and good boy, Parak. Now, high five here. Good boy. Now folks, that is what they use to perch high up on trees. Oh, now, not only is Parak fashion conscious, but he is also environmentally conscious as well. Now let me ask the audience and be honest, okay? Who here segregates their trash or kinsa nag-segregate sa basura? Raise your hand, taas kamot. Okay, wag ganit tawon. Okay, we have Kuya. Anyone else? We have Ate. We have Kuya. Alright, we have Ate. We have Kuya. Alright. As we can see po folks, a lot of kids segregate their trash. No, pero mga adults, guilty man no. Unfortunately, not a lot of people segregate their trash po. But hopefully we'll all learn a valuable lesson from Barak because we have a can labeled biodegradable and another can labeled non-biodegradable. So, double check muna ni Barak and Kuya Michael will drop trash on the table and we'll see how Barak segregates his mess so that we'll all learn a valuable lesson from him. So, Barak, ready? Kuya Michael, ready? Okay. Kuya Michael, taga. And let's see what Barak picks up first. It looks like a piece of plastic. Yep, piece of plastic which is going to the non-biodegradable bin. Good boy, Barak. Up next, it looks like a leaf or dahon, which is this time going to the biodegradable bin. Let's see what he picks up next. It looks like another piece of plastic, which is once again going to the non-biodegradable bin. So one last piece of trash, boy. Look at the table nice and clean. And the last leaf is obviously going to the biodegradable bin, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully everyone learned a valuable lesson in helping our environment. No, kung kaya sa hayop, kaya sa tao. Now let's all take Barak's lead po, folks. Thank you so much for that, boy. Galing-galing mo. Now, kiss mo na kayo, Michael. Kiss mo na kayo, Michael. Kiss. Good boy. And again po, folks, Barak is a certified genius, but with intelligence comes moodiness. And Barak wants to go home na daw. So I need everyone to wave Barak a bye-bye. Please wave Barak bye-bye. Yan, there we go. Wave Barak bye-bye. And Barak, wave everyone bye-bye. Barak. Uy! Okay, gusto ba? Okay, when he does his head tilt move, folks, it means he wants to stay in the show. But of course, we need to highlight our other animals naman, no? So let's just give Barak and Kuya Michael the round of applause that they deserve, folks. There we go. Thank you so much, Barak, and of course, Kuya Michael. Alright, exit stage left na sila. Now, let's meet our next animal ambassador now. And our next animal ambassador is the opposite of Barak. Once again, while Barak is very bold and colorful, our next animal ambassador is plain white now, just like a cloud. So please help me welcome Jumbo, the umbrella-crested cockatoo. And there he is, folks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is Jumbo, the umbrella-crested cockatoo, with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now, folks, let me tell you this. Unfortunately, 70% of our air pollution comes from our transportation. So our cars, our motorcycles, our buses all contribute to global warming. Pero, as we've shown you, an alternate way to commute to work or to commute to school to lessen our carbon footprints, Jumbo has never had a label a bicycle. And let's see how Jumbo uses this. So, boy, sakay. Padjak. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, that is the Zygo Active Beat at work. Once again, to the front, doing the back, allowing them to grab items in. Para lang good boy, Jumbo. Now, to the kids out there, or maybe sa mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle, nothing to worry about because we also have a scooter. And let's see how Jumbo uses this. So, boy, sakay na, Padjak, and, oh, let go, close ka stable. And let go, and para lang good boy, Jumbo na folks, nagawa mo yung scooter. Nothing to worry about. Now, ladies and gentlemen, those are the alternate ways for us to commute to work or to commute to school to lessen our carbon footprints. And you may have noticed that Jumbo is happy this afternoon. Oh, you can tell by checking out the crown or crest on his head, which will raise or lower depending on his mood. Now, folks, let's give Jumbo and Kuya Chimar the round of applause that they deserve. Oh, there we go. Thank you so much, Jumbo and of course Kuya Chimar. Alright, uwi na sila. Exit stage left. Now let's meet our next animal ambassador now. And our next animal ambassador is actually the younger cousin of Jumbo po. So please help me welcome our other umbrella-crested cockatoo na si Apollo. And there he is po, folks. Now once again, that is the younger cousin of Jumbo, our other umbrella-crested cockatoo na si Apollo. Now folks, Apollo is a multi-talented artist. Pang ABS-CBN, pang GMA itong bird na to. So let's see some of his talents today, shall we? But first, of course, let me ask the audience, who wants to see Apollo dance? Kasi kung sumagitan mo sa si Apollo, raise your hand, taas, come on. There we go, okay. Alright, marami. Lots of people want to see Apollo dance. Now, who wants to see Kuya Dexter dance? Kasi kung sumagitan mo sa'yo ang train. Tama na, mahulog ka sa table, good boy, Apollo. Now folks, that was his ode to the king of pop. Pero that's not all. Let's see his next talent now. Let's see his acting skills. Now, Apollo, what do we do if we see a predator? Mi agila, Apollo. Mi predator. Mi predator, mi agila. And patay, good boy, Apollo. Now, folks, that is their natural reaction po. Out in the wild, whenever they see a predator, they will either run away or play dead, as most animals do not want to eat already dead or rotting meat po. Now, let's see it one more time, please, Apollo. We have another predator, mi agila na naman. And ka-dramatic ito. Patay, good boy, Apollo. Pang star magic, you come, boy. Now, Kuya Dexter, pwede na mo ma-interview. Tama na, mahulog ka sa table, good boy, Apollo. Now folks, that was his ode to the king of pop. Pero that's not all. Let's see his next talent now. Let's see his acting skills. Now, Apollo, what do we do if we see a predator? Mi agila, Apollo. Mi predator. Mi predator, mi agila. And patay, good boy, Apollo. Now, folks, that is their natural reaction po. Out in the wild, whenever they see a predator, they will either run away or play dead, as most animals do not want to eat already dead or rotting meat po. Now, let's see it one more time, please, Apollo. We have another predator, mi agila na naman. And ka-dramatic ito. Patay, good boy, Apollo. Pang star magic, you come, boy. Now, Kuya Dexter, pwede na mo ma-interview.